Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the correct sway bar for your vehicle, because fit matters. Once verified, lift the car and place jack stands under solid axle points. Never rely on a jack alone. Next, remove wheel if needed so you can access end links and bushing brackets. Use a breaker bar for seized bolts, then unfasten hardware in a controlled order. You want parts free but labeled. Make sure to compare the new bar to the old one before proceeding to installation. You now position the sway bar into its mounts, sliding the bushings onto the bar so their split faces inward toward the bracket. Once done, seat the brackets loosely over the bushings and thread bolts by hand to prevent cross-threading. Next, attach end links. Thread them until they just engage, keeping the suspension at ride height if possible to avoid preload. Make sure everything moves freely. Then use a torque wrench to tighten main bracket bolts to specified values. This secures. You finish by lowering the vehicle carefully and doing a slow road test to listen for clunks or pull. These reveal binding or misalignment. Once done, recheck all torques after 50 to 100 miles and inspect bushings for compression or movement. If you hear a clunk, try loosening an end link slightly and re-evaluating. Sometimes preload causes noise. Make sure to retorque after adjustment. Finally, confirm steering feel is responsive and roll is reduced. That verifies the sway bar is functioning as the only way you intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.